Here's the 23-0 270 degree awning mounted on my 21 Tacoma TRD Pro. It's mounted on the back roof rack. It's pretty heavy, put it up there by myself. As you can see, these two quick releases. These are made by Front Runner, and you just pop these off and lift it up. I'm hoping they're going to hold. I may wire them down while I'm off-road or traveling so that they don't come off. But just set it up to see if it would work, and it's pretty easy. I've got a wall kit that I'm going to show later, and there's 2 extra poles that come with it, and I'll show you these straps right here. You got 2 straps, 1 for each end, but it's pretty easy. I might be able to do this one-handed. You do the zipper all the way down and then flip this over the cover, and you got 3 Velcro straps, 1, 2, 3, and this holds the awning up. And then this pulls out. So what I'm going to do is, I got this D-ring right here. I'm going to get this strap, I'm going to hook that D-ring to it. I'm just going to pull it all the way around, and it's going to open up. Get this a little bit pulled out, and then I'm going to take this strap, bungee cord, and then I'm going to pull out the top, which goes to the front. Put my little hook in there, pull this all the way around, and then this is going to connect across the truck, and I'm just going to hook it like right there. Then you just take this strap, cinch it down, kind of like a bungee cord. So that ties that side off. And then I'm going to come around and tie the other side off. And pull that tight. Hook it to the roof rack. I like that these are kind of bungee, got a little bit of spring in them, and now I've got a freestanding 270 degree awning, and my rear canopy door lifts up, doesn't make contact, and the cool part is I got my little Jackery solar generator out here, and this has a light system. Let's see if I can do this holding the camera. There we go. And so there's lights underneath here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 LED lights. There's legs that come down if you need them, and it's freestanding. I'm 6'2", and I don't hit anything underneath this just walking. And then you can change the light colors. It's pretty cool. You got red, green, blue, white, amber, turquoise, purple, yellow, turquoise, magenta, yellow, turquoise, magenta. Just goes through all of them. There's red, green, blue, and then white. You can control it. You can also dim them. It's got 4 or 5 dims. It's not too bright, but pretty cool. So I've got a wall set right here where the walls just zip in to make this a giant tent, and it's got windows and bug screens and all that in it. But the main reason I got it is to use it just like this, just to have some shelter, nothing else from the sun, maybe the rain. It took about 30 minutes to put the bracket on. maybe 30 minutes to attach the hardware to the awning. And then, yeah, it's a heavy awning to lift up to the top of the truck, one person, and get everything aligned. But once you do it once, it goes by pretty quick. And this folds up in 3 or 4 minutes, one person. So it's super cool. 23.0. I'm Onyx 270. I've got a Onyx or a 23.0 180 coming for this side. And I'm going to mount over here. So we got protection all the way around the truck for the Yukon River Quest 2026. 64 days left until the race. There you go.